Here is the final robot. Oh my gosh. So cool. Let's find our pieces. There we go. Got a 3x2, 2x2, 1x4, 2x1 double. So 2x1x2. Then we got the 2x3 and the wheels. And as the pattern goes, that's just how you stack them up. Now for this part, you go right here, and the back there's some extra space, so you take this double stacked and you put it in the back, and then you give room for the head. Okay, and put on the head. So here is the final robot. Oh my gosh, so cool. It can do all the work. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to watch my real LEGO tutorials. I haven't made any for a while, but I will be starting more soon. Make sure to check out my other channel called Smash It Crash, where we smash random objects, and peace out.